Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got another unboxing video for you, and this is a box of stuff I got from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. If you don't know, they're having a Black Friday sale now, so if you spend $39 or more, you get free FedEx shipping, which I gotta say was pretty fast. And if you spend certain amounts, you get free items. And like if you go from the first level, you get that free item. If you get to the second level, you get another free item plus the first one. You get to the third, you get that free item plus the second one plus the first one. So I ended up getting 3 of the free items, and a couple of these are Christmas gifts, but I may show one because I'm giving it early, but the other one I probably won't actually show what it is. And yeah, get down to it. Using the CJRB Milea, this has turned out to be my little 5th pocket carry and package opener. Works excellent. So let's see if there's a little paperwork in there. And the thing with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, you usually get a sticker, and you know they give you the here's something, have a little something for you, join up and save, text holiday, $5 off next order. So you know, if you got any issues, they give you the paperwork to send it back. I mean, I've never sent anything back, but I think you wouldn't have a problem. So I'm gonna move this off to the side a little bit, and I'll pull items out and show them to you. Got a lot of paper. So first item, and I signed up for their email list, or get notifications by text, and I got a free little pocket sharpener. Now I don't think this has nothing to do with the Black Friday sale, but Smoky Mountain Knife Works pocket sharpener, 600 grit and ceramic rods. Let's take a quick look at it. Put the sticker up there. Just a little pull through sharpener, good for an EDC pouch or throw in your pack. Can't seem to get. There we go. Yeah, pretty cool. You got little diamond ones over here, coarse rods, and you got your ceramic rods there. So I can't get that all the way in, but yeah, that's something. Got a little lanyard hole. Yeah, that's something to throw in like a Maxpedition pouch or backpack or something. I think I got plans for that later. So that was a freebie. Let's well, I'll show you. She don't watch the channel, so got my daughter this Victorinox Classic SD. It's got sloughs on it. I don't know, she likes sloth, so I thought that'd be cool. She can put in her bag and carry. You know, it's just a little tiny knife. It's got a little pin blade, little nail file, little flat screwdriver, pair of scissors, and yeah. I don't know if that's going to help or not. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So that's one gift. Let's see. So I did a video on Smoky Mountain Knife Works little knife roll that I picked up at a flea market for $5. I like it. I'm going to store some of my knives in it, so I picked up another one. These things are $9.99. Nice. If you want to go back and check the video out I did on it, show you. I had a bunch of knives in there to show you all the pockets and stuff. But yeah, so I picked up another knife roll. I do like those. So here's another freebie, and this is the first level. If you spend $75, you get this little EDC tray, and we can open it up real quick, check her out. Pretty cool. Looks like pleather. I don't think it's real leather. Got nice red stitching around it. So basically you just fold it up, snap the corners, like so, and you can put your stuff in it. So that's actually quite nice. I have a little valet EDC dump tray system, but might have ideas for those. If you keep watching the channel, you might find out. I don't know. Next freebie. If you spend $125, you get this, the Kudo light plus the tray. So I always found these kind of cool looking. I would never. I don't think I'd actually spend the money on one of these myself, but since it's free and I spent enough, kind of cool. So yeah, that's got some pull. Half stop. Well, that snaps in place. Kudo light, cold steel. I'm gonna turn that light off. It's 5CR 13 MOV. Definitely not the best steel in the world, but it's not a small knife. That's a long that's a long knife. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 inches long. Now this is a light version. The regular ones have like a split ring to pull the lock up. So this one, I guess you gotta, maybe not. Oh, just like, it's just a slip joint. But man, that's got some tension behind it. You know, this is actually kind of cool. Well, that's a lot. This gotta be my longest knife. But yeah, so that's the second level, $125. You get that plus the tray. So here's another Christmas gift. But I'm giving this early, so yep, I got a Rough Rider. I got the Sous Chef. Jeez, I cannot say it. Sous Chef locking pocket chef prep knife. Now, daughter, she does a lot of cooking, and she's cooking us Thanksgiving dinner. So I'm gonna give this to her. Maybe she can use it. So after she uses it, I'll get her feedback and I'll do a review on it. But yeah, wow, that's quite beefy. It is one hand open. You can open it one hand, lock back. Well, that thing seems awful, awful sharp. Try to, it's a little rough. There we go. Wow, curlicue, see that? So that's pretty, well, that's pretty nice. But I think that'll chop up some onions and peppers and potatoes and whatever she wants. I guess it is locked back. Doesn't have a very strong pull. Big Red EDC, he said the same thing. You definitely can't shake it open because of the lock back. But man, this had a pocket clip, I would carry this a lot. I'd beat the crap out of it. So anyways, this thing's like $16.99. You know, can't beat that. This Victorinox Sloth Classic SD was $16.99 also. But yeah. So I'll probably give this to her today. Man, it's almost as tall as the Kudo. So Sous Chef is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 9.5 inches long with a 1, 2, 3, a little over 4-inch blade, a little over 4-inch cutting edge. So $17. I don't have any blade play. It's long and, well, maybe a little bit. Maybe just a little. This thing, really no blade play at all. This thing's actually, they're both cool. I like those. So, if you get to the third level, you spend $199. You get another freebie, which is a more basic, or 511 basic, and this got a different. This is a little. What is this? You gotta cut that? Yeah, it must be. I thought I had a little retainer. Maybe it is. What the heck? How do you get this thing off? Redonkulous. Well, anyways, I'll figure it out. But yeah, pink. I didn't expect the sheath to be pink. I thought the sheath would have been black and just the pink there. But I got this from my wife. She can carry this when we go hiking and stuff. I have an orange one. I like it. These are pretty good little fixed blade knives for hiking and such. How do you get this thing off? Anyways, what a pain in the butt that is. I'm gonna have to watch a YouTube video on how to get this thing out. But that's a third level, 199 bucks. You get that, this, and the tray, so that's cool. So now, how I got to that much, better close that up. How I got to 199 bucks is I bought a couple things. And first part of it is I bought a Leatherman Wave Plus black. Just closed that, now I gotta use it. So I'm not gonna take it out and go through everything, but I'll just show it to you. Be prepared for more videos on this. But yeah, paperwork on the back explaining some stuff. Yep. Gonna need cleaning. I saw people say that you get black residue off this black oxide coating. But yeah, I wanted a good multi-tool. I've been carrying a Gerber MP600 and a Leatherman Rev. You can go way back. I had a Ganzo. I can't remember the number, but man, it's a little bigger than this. It's got a crap ton of tools. I used it hard. I used it at work. Now it's still in maintenance. And I put that thing through things that multi-tools should never go through. But somehow I lost a pivot screw. So, but yeah, so got that. Comes with a sheath with it. And this is a Mali compatible one. It's pretty nice. It's got a little pocket in the back. But I don't know why I unsnapped that. This thing can be carried, sideways. But I bought a different one. So got the Leatherman Wave. Like I said, be ready for more videos. Then I got the bit set with it for it. I'll show you real quick. Comes with this bit driver with interchangeable bits. So comes with one bit. And then I got, I think there's 42, 42 different tools on these, all in that little package. So I got the bit set, I got the bit extender to go along with it, give you more reach, and I got a different pouch or sheath. This is one that has side pockets on either side to carry the bit extender. Small flashlight's got a pocket in back for the bit kit, and got more paper in the bottom. And that's it for this mail call. Holy cow. So, yeah, I'm going to clean that up probably right away. But, yeah, so I got a couple Christmas gifts. One's going to be an early one. This one, I'll probably go and give it to her. I got actually 4 freebies. This was for signing up for their text notifications. The tray was the first level at 75 bucks. This one was 125. And this one was 199. And this cost $99 and I don't know, 99 cents plus 15, 24, and 20. So I spent 165 bucks on this set right here. Plus a knife roll, 9 bucks, $16.99, $16.99. But yeah, that's it. Definitely be prepared to see more videos. I'll do reviews on this and some of these things, but you'll see more of this Leatherman. So I guess that's it. As usual, if you like this video, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and until next video, bye.